Okay, here is another question here that brings us that a stone is projected at an angle alpha to the horizontal with the speed of, this just clears the wall 4 meters high and 10 meters away from the point of projection when traveling horizontally. If the stone was projected, the moment it is traveling horizontally and clearing the wall, it means that that was the maximum height it attained. So find the angle of projection. We start with by doing or by sketching that info. So it means that now we have our horizontal ground there. Now they are projecting. Of course, they are projecting a stone like this. Then we have, they're telling us that they are giving it an our initial velocity here. They are telling us this is 0 meters per second. This one they are telling us it's angle alpha to the horizontal. Now, they are telling us that this one is just clearing, it just clears a wall 4 meters high. So this is 4 meters high, like this. Then the moment so they are telling you when traveling horizontally, because if you are traveling like this, this is not horizontal displacement. But now when it is here at this point of maximum, or as this stone is going to be traveling horizontally at that point of the maximum height. So in simple terms, here they are giving us the maximum height. So meaning this height from here up to here, it was our H max. How am I knowing this? Because for the stone to travel horizontally here, that point at the maximum, it has to be the maximum for it to travel horizontally, that stone. So meaning, remember, if we have the maximum height, we have a half of r. So meaning, the distance they gave us from here up to here, they told us that this is 10 meters away from the point of projection. In simple terms, here they are giving us a half r. This distance is going to be a half r. At the maximum height, or as the distance is going to be, or as a half r. In simple terms, we are giving you here the maximum height, and we are giving you half the range. So they are giving you range indirectly. So meaning, if we are starting with this, you know that always our H max is given by u squared sine squared alpha, the angle projection, over 2g. Now what do we have? We have this height, so it's going to be equal to 4 equals u squared sine squared alpha, the whole over 2g. So if I cross multiply, so that now my u squared sine squared alpha is equal to 8g. I call this one equation 1. Now I come to my range. So they are giving us that a half over 2r is going to be 10. In simple terms, my range is going to be 20 meters. But now the range, you know that the range is given, our r, you know that it's given by u squared sine 2 alpha, the whole over d from the distance. Now this one is given, so meaning that the whole of this one is going to be equal to 20. So meaning my u squared sine 2 alpha is going to be equal to 20. Okay, 20b. I call this equation 2. So now after that, we see that I can easily solve this and this. Why? Because I'm saying this is on this one has something in there. So I'm going to say now 2 divided by 1. So I'll be having now u squared sine 2 alpha equal to 20b. We are dividing it with equation 1, which is u squared sine squared alpha. Sorry for that. Okay. So that one divided by 8g. So now we can see this one is going to vanish, then this one is going to vanish. By 4 here we have 2, by 4 here we have 5. So now you see, we can easily, now you start sine 2, but not that, not. Sine 2 alpha is the same as 2 sine alpha cos alpha. As simple as that. Now, from there, I have my sine 2 alpha over sine squared alpha equaling 2 here already with 5e over, sorry, the e went. Okay, that e also is not there. So we have, all we have is a 2 because we have simplified everything there. Now we can easily cross multiply. So I have, okay, this one is going to be 2 sine alpha cos alpha the whole over sine squared alpha equal to 5 over 2. Now you can see one is going to go with that. So I'll be having cot. So here I'm going to be having cot. Okay, people, I don't know if people are okay if I skip that step. Cos alpha over sine alpha will be equal to 5 over 4. So when okay. I want to divide that once so that these two terms beside that. Okay. So if we have that, instead now from here, we're going to be having cot alpha equal to 5. If I divide this to the side over 4. Now, if we have cot, we can easily get tan. So this will be tan alpha equal to 4 over 5. And so my alpha, the angle I'm looking for, will be tan inverse of that. And so the angle projection there, it will be 38.66 degrees. That will be the angle to 2 decimal places. So that's it, members. You can just see the working has been very, you need to know whenever you are given, whenever they tell you that the part will reach the point and then to have an horizontal, that is going to be always the maximum. At the maximum, you need to know that always the range, the distance at the maximum, this maximum height divides the whole trajectory into 2 parts, equal parts. So this is going to be a half of that. So that was the trick in that question. That's it. See you in the next lesson.